Sé que tú estás arrepentida por los momentos que perdí al lado tuyo. Solo contigo, mi amor. Extraño tus labios y tu mirar, piel morena hermosa, olor de mar. Oye, costeño.
So we're off on an adventure. I've got hold of the wheel.
Just for a little while.
She's let me drive. Where are we going, Kristen?
Offits. Going surfing, baby.
We're going surfing. Awesome. What was that?
I'm not going to pull it through, I'll just leave it and just lock it in the car.
What is it you're going to do?
Just another one of my brilliant ideas.
Is it another one you like?
Brilliant ideas.
Oh, what are we doing here? We're going surfing out there, aren't we?
Yeah, it's going to be wonderful. See that little, look at that one.
Oh, yeah.
That's a Kristen wave.
It's a Kristen wave. What was that?
What have you been videoing?
Oh, just having a giggle.
I didn't notice that.
So, did we come in the car park the right way, or should we have taken the other entrance?
I don't know, you're confusing me.
Oh, can't have that. This place is awesome. Oh, I know, it's awesome. Look at you in your suit there. Ooh. So what's this place called? Hey?
It's called King's Beach, I think.
It's called King's Beach. We think it's called King's Beach. It's where the bar is at Golden Beach, Caloundra. Pretty sure it's King's Beach. Where's your board gone?
Just there.
Down there, okay.
I was hoping my boy might go get it for me.
Might go get your board for you.
Go get my board for me.
Oh. Oh, there's a fee attached. Lots of kisses, lots of kisses. Here's the surf wagon. Hey? So we're kind of getting organised. Are you kind of getting organised there? You kind of uncomfortable yet, or are you comfortable?
Does it get any better than this?
I don't know. I could go to the esky and get a cold beer. Oh, that will have to happen too.
I can't.
She can't, apparently. You heard it first.
I can't open a beer and play ukulele
At King's
at the same
Beach,
time.
she can't have a beer. First time I've ever heard those words from Kristen. Things are changing.
Things are changing.
So we've had a beer. And it's becoming more and more entertaining. I left my what? Kristen's left something in it. Not a bad spot. Bit of Fleetwood Mac.
see.